Good morning students. Students, let's begin exercise 6.4. Its first question is it possible to have triangle with these sides? So there are sides given to us 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. So the question says that is it possible to have triangle? So in this question we will apply one property that sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. Okay. So if I add this 2 plus 3, so we will get what? 5 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter will give 5 centimeter and it is equals to that third side which is 5 centimeter. But I am saying that the sum of length of any two sides should be greater than the third side, greater than the length of third side. Okay, so if we add any two sides, suppose I am adding this 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter, so their sum is 5 centimeter and which is equals to 5 centimeter, but it should be greater than the third side which is 5 centimeter. So in this we can't make the triangle, so its answer will be no, because they are saying that is it possible, so we will say no, it is not possible. Understood? Now let's move to question, its second part, which is 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Now 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Okay. Now add 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter first. So we will get 9 centimeter and it is greater than the third side which is 7 centimeter. Now again add this 6 and 7, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So it will give 13 centimeter and it is greater than the 3 centimeter. Now again add these two sides, 3 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So we will get 10 centimeter and it is greater than the third side which is 6 centimeter. Okay. So in this way we can solve these three things and we got what? The sum of any two sides if we take these two sides, if we take these two sides and if we take these two sides, so their sum is greater than the third side which is given to us. In this way we can say yes, we can make the triangle. Yes, we can make triangle. Understood? Now let's move to question number second. In question number second, one triangle is given to us and O is in its interior. Okay, this O. One triangle is given and O point is in its interior. Now, they are in first part of this, they are saying that OP plus OQ greater than PQ. Is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, or OQ plus OR is greater than QR, or OR plus OP is greater than RP? Now, for this you can see that OP, OQR is given to us. So we have to join these points. Okay. So for OP join O and P, for OQ join Q and O, and for OR join this O and R. In this way we can make the triangle. Now for OP and OQ, first of all see, if we join these points, so you can observe that the triangles form. These triangles forms means OQP and ORP, this OQR. So these are the smaller triangle which we got after joining these points. Okay. So first of all, for this OP and OQ, see here OP and OQ means these two sides fall in this triangle. Okay. So we can take in triangle OPQ. in triangle OPQ means this first triangle, if you want to say this first triangle OPQ. Now in first question we have studied that sum of two triangles should be greater than the third side. Okay, so we can apply that property of the triangle in this smaller triangle. Okay, so you can write OP plus OQ means OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, means its answer will be yes. Okay, yes, OP plus OQ is greater than the OPQ because in triangle sum of length of any two side is greater than the third side. So in this way you can say that yes, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. And in second part of this question also we can do like this, OQ and OR. OQ and OR means in triangle OQR. OQ and OR is greater than QR because sum of, you can write the reason as the first one, that in triangle sum of length of any two sides is greater than the length of third side. And in third part of this question also you can write the reason like this. In third part also, in triangle OR and OP means in triangle OPR, OR and OP is greater than RP. So in this way you can again write the reason that in triangle sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the length of third side. Understood? Now let's move to question number third. AM is a median given to us and we have to say that is AB plus BC plus CS greater than 2AM? Okay, 2AM. Now AM is the median, means a median of a triangle is that line segment which joins vertex and the point in its opposite side. Okay, and median divides that opposite sides into two equal parts. That's why these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, means BM equals to MC. Understood? So this median of any triangle divides opposite side into two equal parts. Okay. Now we have to tell is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM, means sum of these three sides of triangle is greater than 2AM. Okay, so we need to prove this. After proving this, we can say yes or no. Okay. Now, for the AM is given to you. AM is a median, and it makes what? Two smaller triangles. This AMB and AMC. Okay. So for this, in triangle AMB, okay, AMB, if I take this smaller triangle, so apply that property only which we have studied in our previous questions, that the sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. So if I add this AB plus PM is greater than AM, okay, and write the reason here. Okay, sum of length of any two side is greater than the length of third side. Okay, so in this way you can write the reason also. Now this is give its equation number 1. Now take another triangle which is in triangle AMC. So here AC plus MC is greater than AM. Now, why we are taking AM to this side? We can also take AC. We are taking this AM, means this third side as AM, because in your question it is asking that sum of three sides is greater than AM, means this AM should be smaller. So that's why we are taking this AM as a smaller one. Okay, or the third side you can say. So give it equation number second. Now you can see 2am is given to you. So if we can add these two equations, so you will get 2am and it is smaller. Okay, so adding equation first and equation second, so we get what? This AB plus BM plus AC plus MC is greater than AM plus AM. Okay, means left hand side is added with left hand side and right hand side added with right hand side. Now AB plus, now BM plus MC, this BM and MC, if we add these two things, A, BM and MC, so what you will get? That big larger one, BC. Okay, so after adding BM and MC, this BM and MC, you will get what? This BC side, and this is AC, and this is greater than AM plus means 2am. AM plus AM is 2am, and you can write the reason for BM and MC as BM, since BM plus MC is equals to BC. So in this way you can prove. Okay, so you can write it as yes, AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2am. Understood this thing? Now let's move to question number 4. In this question also you have to do like this only, and we will apply the same property as the sum of length of two sides is greater than the length of third side. Okay, so you can do the same as above we have done. Question number 4. One quadrilateral is given to you. This A, B, C, D. Okay, and we have to prove A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Means sum of all these sides of the quadrilateral is greater than the sum of diagonals. AC and BD are diagonals. Okay. Now for this quadrilateral, we will take the smaller triangles. Means the diagonals means this AC is diagonal and it makes two triangles here, ABC and this ACD. Okay, and this BD also make two triangles in upper side and in the lower side. Means in upper portion, as you can see, BDC and this ABD. Okay, so we will take these triangles. Okay, now in triangle ABD. Okay, as you can see, the diagonal should be smaller one. Okay, so you can take ABD. If I am taking ABD, so AB plus AD is greater than BD. Okay, give it equation number 1. Now again take in triangle BDC. This CD and BC is greater than that BD. Okay, the same property, the sum of length of two sides is greater than the third side. Now in triangle ACD. Oh, okay, so AD plus DC or CD you can write is Now this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. If I add all these 4 equations, so what you will get? After adding these 4 equations, so you will get this AB and AB are 2 times. Okay, so you will like 2AB. This AD and AD 2 times, so you will like AD 2AD. Okay, and this BC is also 2 times, so BC 2BC. This CD is also 2 times. Okay, this CD and CD. So this 2CD greater than. Now you can observe that AC is 2 times and BD is 2 times. So A2AC plus 2BD. Okay. Now if you will take common this 2 and from the left hand side and from the right hand side of this, so you will get what? 2 will cancel 2 and you will remain as AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Okay, so in this way you can prove. What we have done in this question, we took these triangles and we solved them, and after adding all 4 equations you got that whatever asked in the question. Okay, now let's move to question number 5. Question number 5 is also same. In this question, when quadrilateral is given, and for proving this equation, we have to take one point O in between, means where diagonals crosses each other. Okay, so here we can make the same triangle as A, B, C, D, and we have to take this point O here. Okay, we have to take the point O here, and now we can prove this. Okay, so for this, take smaller triangles. For proving this thing, means that twice of the diagonals, sum of diagonals is greater than the sum of all sides. For proving this, we have to take this smaller triangle, means DOC, DOA, OBC and this AOB. We will take these smaller triangles. So in triangle DOC. Okay, now we will have to take these sides into the left hand side, and they should be smaller one. Okay, so for this, apply the same property as sum of length of 2 sides is greater than the third one. So for this, take OD plus OC is greater than CD. Okay, means this third side. Now in triangle AOD, this is AD is greater than OD plus OA. Okay, now in triangle AOB, AB is smaller than OA plus OB. Now in triangle this one OCB, this BC is smaller than OB and OC. Now these are equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 equations. Now on adding all 4 equations, we get what? OD is 2 times, so write 2OD. Now this OC is again 2 times, so 2OC. Okay. Now this OA is also 2 times. 2OD, OD 2 times we wrote. This OA is again 2 times. Okay, we wrote OD, OC, OA and OB is again 2 times. 2OB. it is greater than all the four sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Understood this thing? Now, what we can write this 2OD, what we have to actually prove this AC and BD. Now 2OD means what? This you can take common as 2OD and OB. From OD and OB you can take common 2. And from this take common OA plus OC is greater than sum of all four sides BC, CD and DA. Okay. Now OD plus OB. This OD plus OB, what you will get? BD. The largest side means that the whole diagonal. OB plus OD will give you the whole diagonal BD, and this OA and OC. OA and OC will give you the whole diagonal AC. Means the sum of the diagonals are greater than sum of all sides. Okay, and this 2 is common here, so you can take common from this. So BD plus AC is greater than sum of all sides. So in this way you can prove the whole quotient. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Understood this thing? So what we had done, we took the common point O here, where where two diagonals intersect each other, means AC and BD intersect each other. Okay, and we took that smaller triangle and we applied the same property that sum of length of two sides is greater than the third side, and we applied the property and we add all four equations. So we got what? Whatever asked in the question. This is greater than, means twice of sum of diagonals is greater than all the sides. So yes, it is greater. Understood? Now question number 6 is given to us, and two measures of triangle are given, and we have to say that in which category, means in between what to measure the measure of third side will fall. So 12 centimeter is first side and 5 centimeter, 15 centimeter is the second, and between what two measures should length of third side fall. Now the same property will be applied, that length of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, so if we will add these two, so what we will get? What? 27 centimeter. Addition of two sides means the third side should be smaller than this, means this will be greater. So measure of third side should be smaller than 27 centimeter, and this one is the property, and the second property of the triangle is that difference of any two sides is smaller than the third side. This is again one property, that if sum is there, so it will be greater than the third side, and if difference is given, so it should be lesser than or smaller than the third side. So if we subtract this 12 from 15, so what you will get? 3 centimeter. Means the measure of third side should be greater than this 3 centimeter. So measure of third side should be greater than 3 centimeter. Okay, means if I am writing third side as, so it is smaller than 27 and it is greater than 3 centimeter. So in this way it falls in the its measure should be in between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Understood this thing? So what I have done in this question, I applied the same property, that sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. So it will be their sum is greater as 27 and it should be greater than the third side. Okay. Now the difference of these two sides should be smaller than the third side. So in between 3 and 27 the measure of third side will fall. Okay. In this way we finished exercise 6.4. Thank you.